Hi, friends. Just want to say hi, and I miss you all, and hope everyone's doing well. I hope you're staying busy at home, working with your mom and dad on schoolwork if you have time. I wanted to go over some numbers today on our calendar. I haven't done that for a while. Last time I did it, we were only in April. Our new month was April, and we'd only been in it for 3 days, I think, last time. But now we've been in April for 15 days. So let's count the days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So today is April, the 4th month, April 15th. It's Wednesday. Remember the days of the week? How many days are in a week? 7. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And today is Wednesday, April 15th. And tomorrow will be, what will tomorrow be? What comes after 15? Remember? 16. It'll be Thursday, the 16th. And yesterday, what comes before 15? 14. Yesterday was Tuesday, the 14th. And it's cloudy, and it's still spring. The flowers are blooming. I've seen a lot of butterflies outside too, have you? And our sound of the week this week is this one. This is our sound of the week this week, and it is oh, like love, ladybug. Oh, wait a minute, look what I have. I have a little tiny bitty ladybug, ladybug. And I also have a little lock, a little lock. Little, little, and long. And we have leaves starting to bud on the trees. This is the lowercase, lowercase o. And I had this one is uppercase. Every letter has an uppercase and a lowercase. And this is O. Can you see anything in your house that starts with O? Might look around. Maybe you'll see a lamp. Maybe. All right. And I want to read you this book. It's called Good Boy, Fergus. It was written by David Shannon. And it doesn't show that he had somebody else do the pictures. Nobody else illustrated it. So he must have drawn the pictures too. So the author is David Shannon. There's Fergus's toys. He's got bones and chew bones. There's his toy. He's playing with his toy monkey. Oh, looks like he likes to chase birds. I wonder if he's a puppy. He does. He likes to play. Good boy, Fergus. Good morning, Fergus. Want to go out? Ready, set, cat. Okay, Fergie, time to go in. Come here, Ferg. Come on, boy. Fergus, come here. Here, Fergie. Fergie. Fergus McLagan, you come here right now. Please, Ferg. Come on. Let's go, boy. That's it. Good boy, Fergus. It's Mr. F, Mr. Itchy Bobo Scratchy Man. Does that feel good? Tickle, tickle. My dog likes to have his tummy rubbed too. Dogs like that. Sit, Fergus. Down. Roll over. Good boy, Fergie. Fergus! Oh no, look what he did. He pulled a flower and he's all muddy. Bath time. Now, Now let's go for a ride. Look what the wind did to his face. Don't beg, Fergus. Oh, all right. Good boy, Fergus. He liked that meatball. Time for a walk? Fergus, no! Oh, he wants to chase that motorcycle. That's not good. Good boy, Fergie. Look at what he did. He went potty over here on this fire hydrant. And on this tree, he went potty. He went potty on this tire. Dinner time. Oh, what's the problem? Look at Fergie. He turned his back on his food. So look what he got. Whipped cream on his food. Better? Better. Now he's eating it. Sweet dreams, little Fergus. Good boy. All right, friends. I hope you're all well, and I miss you. Once again, I really miss you, and I hope you're all working hard at home with your mom and dad, and I will see you soon, I hope. Bye.